S-curves can be a railroader's worst nightmare, yet they are a feature of many track plans because they can add interest to a layout. If you're going to add an S-curve, plan it carefully. That means you'll need to have at least one straight section of track, at least the length of your longest car between the curves. Otherwise, regular derailments might become unwanted events on your layout. And fixing problematic S-curve is a lot harder after the track is permanently fixed in place.